we're looking at ways we can improve the structure and format of the data in this Google spreadsheet. And that's so that we can work with the data through reporting or analysis. One of the things we have going on in this spreadsheet is we have two tabs here with different sets of projects. When you are working with data and considering whether to have one tab or two, keep in mind that if you want to analyze it, it's easier to separate out different parts of data, different types of statuses or projects when you want to analyze it, rather than having to try to put it together to analyze it. So in that case, I might want to have both of these types of projects on one tab so that I can see my overall portfolio in one tab rather than having to try to combine them to look at them. So what we're going to do this, but still keep information about the type of project it is, we are going to add a column with project type and then combine the data. So we'll start off by adding a column in our cell here, our spreadsheet, project type, and this is the other projects type. So we will add that value and then select it and copy it down. In building projects, we'll do the same thing. Add it in project type. This is a building project. We'll enter that value, click on the little corner guy here, click on it to populate a value down. Now before we actually combine the data, which we're just going to do with a simple copy paste, we want to check and make sure all of our columns match up correctly. So we have project number and project type in both columns. Then project name, project manager, project name, project name, project manager. And then we have documents and started. Documents and started, great. Then we have date and status. Date and status. So this one is different. We'll need to fix this before we can move on. Great, so now we have date and status in both columns, and finally project completion. So once all of the values add up, we are going to copy out the rows that we need from one sheet, and we will paste them into the other sheet. If you have any formulas, you might need to adjust those, and then you're good to go. Now my data is much more workable. When I want to analyze this, first of all, I have my average portfolio overview number right here all the way. I can choose to filter this to view only one of my project types. If I want to just see my building projects, I can do that. If I want to view everything, I can do that. If I want to see only my projects that are completed, I can do that. With the improvements we've made to our data, we can do a lot more.